how to install ESPN widget on iOS 18. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install ESPN widget iOS 18. Alright, so let's begin. First, navigate to the ESPN app on your mobile phone, hold on to the screen for a few seconds and tap on it. It's shown in the top left corner, click on edit. Now select the add widget and this page will show up. Now scroll down to see different widgets. Here you can select any widget and add it to your home screen. Then navigate to the ESPN app on your phone. Next, log in or sign up for your account and select the edition. After that, tap on your favorite league and team. In the next step, hold on to screen again and tap on edit. Now choose the add widget option and search for the ESPN widget. In the end, add that ESPN widget to your home screen. So that's basically how you can install ESPN widget on iOS 18. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.